Hi, Vinny Lavodi here, Technology Specialist for Enabling Devices. Today I'd like to show you one of our communication devices, the BigTalk Triple Play, item number 4202. So let's get started. The BigTalk Triple Play comes in 5 different color choices. We have red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. This is not only a communication device, it also can activate or work as a switch, or it can also be controlled by another external switch. The BigTalk Triple Play comes with a removable clear cover if you'd like to put pictures or icons underneath. If you turn the unit over here on the back, we have our battery compartment. It takes 4 AA alkaline type batteries. You have your on-off volume control, your level adjustment knob. You have 4 levels on this unit, and we'll get into that in detail in a little bit. Record button. And you have a toggle switch here to give you the choice of either playing a single message, sequential, or random. There's your speaker, switch input jack, and device output jack. And over here on the side is your microphone. The BigTalk Triple Play can record up to 300 seconds of message information. The way it's broken down is you have 4 levels. Each level will be 75 seconds of record time. So for each level, you'll be able to record a maximum recording of 75 seconds. That can be one long message or it can be multiple messages as long as you don't exceed the 75 seconds. On this side here you have your toggle switch. It's a 2-position toggle switch. You can set it for again single, message, and sequential. And if it's set for single sequential, if you just want to make one recording for that particular level, you just do your one recording, and then when you're done, the machine will just play back. If you record multiple messages, it'll play back sequentially in the order in which they were recorded. And then if you select it here on random, once you make your recordings, they'll play back in random different orders. This would be great if you're using this device as a supplement for, say, dice. For someone who could not throw dice in a board game, you could record numbers, and then every time they hit the switch, it will play back numbers, randomly. So let me show you how we record, and you'll better understand. I have the unit set for level 1. Turn on my on-off volume control. I have it set for single sequential. And the way you record here is you depress the record button first here on the back. While you're doing that, you then depress the big button on the front, speak into your microphone here on the side about 6 to 8 inches away. If you're just doing one message, you release both when you're done. Press the large plate on the front, it'll play back your message. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This would be good for storytelling, learning times tables, ABCs. So I still have it set for single sequential. Press my record button. And what I'm going to do differently now is between each message, I'm only going to release the top plate and then press it back down for the second message and third message, and so on and so on. So I will not be releasing the record button until I'm finished with the sequence. Let me demonstrate. Message 1, message 2, message 3, message 4. Now I release both. So when I play back, message 1, message 2, message 3, message 4. And if I hit it again, it basically goes in a loop. If I switch this to random, those messages will play in different orders. Message 3, message 2, message 4. So now I want to show you something a little different. I'm going to switch this to level 2. I'm going to show you how you can make this work as a switch as well. I'm going to record a few messages in sequence, and what I'm basically going to do is I can select which of the messages in the sequence that will activate another device that's plugged into the unit. So let me just show you how that works. So during your recording, if you want to make a particular message work as a switch to activate a connected device, what you do is when you're on that message, instead of letting go of the big button here in the front, you keep that button depressed, let go of the record button, press it back down, and then release the big button here on the top, and then go to your next message. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to make the third message activate a toy that I'm going to connect in a moment. Message 1, message 2, message 3, and now I release both. So what I need to do now is plug in the double-ended cable, one end into device, and the other end into my adapted product. So now when I play the messages back, you'll see the toy's only going to activate when it's on the third message. Message 1, message 2, message 3. Just an important note, when you're using this as a switch, the connected toy or device is only going to stay active as long as the duration of the particular message you're recording. So if it's a short message like I just recorded here, the toy is only going to play for that duration. As long as the voice is coming out, the toy or device is going to activate. The last feature I'd like to show you on the Big Talk Triple Play is if you have a user that cannot activate this large button, maybe they need a head switch or a sip and puff straw type switch or an iBlink switch, we do have accommodations here on the back. There's a switch input jack. Just plug in your external switch, and this will mimic the large button on top. Message 1, message 2, message 3, message 1. So there you have it. The Big Talk Triple Play, item 4202. You can purchase this item through our website at enablingdevices.com, also through our catalog sales and our phone sales at 1-800-832-8697.